Hello, welcome to the brief presentation of the crash course on academic report writing. This video will outline some of the critical elements of the course and preview the course from both the instructor and the learner's perspective. Finally, I will summarize how the course was measured against Quality Matters criteria. This project is set at a hospitality and culinary arts school, where students often start their academic programs without adequate skills and knowledge of information literacy, which includes writing formal reports. So this course will provide the students with the fundamental understanding of what a report is, its structure, and its requirements. The audience for this course is post-secondary learners who are from 18 years old. As millennials, they are familiar with social media, the internet, and mobile technologies. Most of them are fresh high school graduates, so they have little understanding of what a report is, its structure, and its requirements. They might already know to some extent the structure of an essay, how to search information on the internet, and how to brainstorm and organize ideas. The learning environment could be flexible, such as the school lab or their home, as long as they complete the course within the time frame. The course is developed with Talent LMS. This is how the course looks under instructor's view. Terminal objectives. Upon completion of the course, the learners will be able to effectively document a report to inform the various audiences about a topic. The enabling objectives are: explain the differences between writing reports and essays, identify the required sections of an academic report, describe the proper formatting of academic report, cite a web content in Harvard referencing style. The last enabling objectives, which is also the assessment, is to create a well-organized and properly formatted academic report about general topic of their choice with Microsoft Word. Now let's look at the interface of the course using the demo account. Learners will engage in a variety of instructional materials, text, images, video, and interactive quizzes. This is a welcome message. Before moving on the next page, the learners have to hit complete and continue. Once it's completed, they can continue. Complete and continue. The learners have to do a quick quiz to check their understanding of the syllabus and introduce themselves before moving to the next module. At the beginning of each module, there will be a matrix table that demonstrates the alignment between weekly objectives with activities and assessment. At the end of the Module 1, the learners will do an interactive quiz and a discussion. Near the end of the Module 2, learners have to pass the final knowledge check before moving on to Discussion 2 and final assignment. This Quality Matters rubric outlines 9 general standards and 42 specific review standards. A course that achieves an overall score of at least 85 out of 100 possible points meet Quality Matters review expectations. So after self-assessment, this course scored 89 points, in which 4 general standards got full score, including course overview and introduction, learning objectives, assessment and measurement, learning activities, and learner interactions. Some specific review standards in instructional materials, course technology, learner support, accessibility, and usability standards either didn't have full score or even 0 score. Some improvements could be the provision of information on protecting the learner's data and privacy, or explicit instructions or link to the institution, student service, and resources that can help learners succeed.